Hi, I'm Stephanie Shafer, the director of North Star Academy, and I wanted to show you around our home office today. Come on and follow me. This is where you will find several of our office employees that you probably have talked to on the phone. This is Miranda Carlton, and we're super blessed to have her. She loves talking to you on the phone, and I know you've probably already met her. Come on in and meet Tina Tandy. Tina is our office administrator. You also may have talked to her on the phone as well when you called in. She's a delight to have here.
Thank you.
And let's meet Hannah Shafer. This is Hannah. Hannah's a great asset to North Star Academy because she is able to help out many different departments. And right next to her is Presley Casto. Presley is in our marketing department.
So now we're going to take an inside look at our director, Ms. Shafer's office.
Hi.
Ms. Shafer is always working on a lot of different projects all at once, and I guarantee you 9 times out of 10 if you walk in here, she's going to be standing up at her desk versus sitting down.
It's fun to stand.
So this is our main lobby area. We have meetings out here. We enjoy fellowship with food, and it's just neat to be able to see kind of what our workspace looks like. This is our dean. Just wanted to pop in and say hello. He is always really hard at work. This is Miss Davis. She is our registrar, and we're very grateful to have her. So this is an inside look at one of our counselor's office. As you can see, we have Miss Carpenter. And then this is an inside look at our admissions and communications director, Miss Armstrong's office. And that concludes our tour. We hope you guys have enjoyed it and just being able to see a little bit of what it looks like to be here in the office at North Star.